want insider real estate investing training videos for free? Throughout this video, click the challenge button to subscribe to my free 30-day video series, How I Close Nearly a Deal a Day. Hey there, this is Peter Vekselman. So today I want to talk to you about what exactly is your responsibility when it comes to working with people and training people that are part of your team that may not actually be in like where you're working. Maybe if you have an office, they might not even be working out of your office. If you have people off-site, they might not even be working off-site local to you. They might be off-site somewhere else. You know, how far should your personal reach be in terms of training people that are either directly or indirectly related to what you do? So here's what I want to give you an example of. One of the things we do here is we work with some local real estate agents, and we put up tremendous amount of retail listings. That's kind of another side of the business that we don't talk a lot about. You know, we focus on our investor side, but we are extremely active as an investment company in the retail world. And we have a super duper agent that we work with. She's just, you know, she's setting the world on fire. Her name's Kimberly. She's got literally dozens and dozens of our properties in the market, closings on a weekly basis, multiple closings and all that. But the way our office works with her office is that she actually has some internal people right out of her office that make calls on some of our leads. Remember, they're really at that point calling on her behalf, setting appointments for her, getting listings for her. It's all about her at that point. You know, we just have a profit share relationship worked out. But what happened is yesterday we actually brought that individual, her name's Danielle, into our office for training. So what I'm standing here is with Gloria, and Gloria is one of our top negotiators. And so, I don't even, how long did she spend with you here yesterday?
She spent about 3 hours.
Okay, so Gloria trained and worked with Danielle for a couple hours yesterday, right? But what was really involved in that? What did you really do with her?
She listened to my conversations to see how if I don't make an investment deal with it, then how I transition it to a retail deal so that she would be better understanding on how to make it a deal, a retail deal.
Right, once she gets it.
Transition it, yes. Yes.
So you see, we literally, you know, sometimes people think that it is your responsibility in terms of working with your team members starts and stops at your walls. Whether it's natural walls like like we have here in office, or maybe conceptual walls like, hey, this is all I do and everybody else in my team does their own thing. See, my contention is very simple. Your reach in terms of training people, putting your footprint and fingerprints on them, in terms of what you could do, it does not stop at your walls. If anybody's working with you, whether it's somebody like Kimberly who's working with us in terms of from an agent side, whether it's a realtor that might be working for you in terms of maybe acquisition side, maybe it's a title company that doesn't exactly understand how you structure deals. You know, maybe it's a construction individual that maybe does things a certain way, but maybe you on your construction like to see things that way. Your reach cannot stop with your walls. You have to make an impact on every single person that's out there that's somehow involved in your business to make sure that they are actually doing what they need to do. And the only way, in my opinion, to do that is you have to invest your time, your effort into them or the people they work with. We invest a tremendous amount of time right of our office into our what would be called contractors out there. You know, we reach into multiple states. Guess what? We sometimes go into those states. We work with those employees. Sometimes they come back into here. You know, here's a perfect, just yesterday we had one of our people come into here. So whoever is involved in your business, to whatever degree, maybe it's 1 degree of separation, maybe it's second or third, but if they have some kind of an impact on your bottom line, do not expect them to be that super duper person. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in a Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you through email. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link right directly to coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.